How to log into US bank account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in US bank login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to very first one website option, usbank.com. With that, you will be directed to the official website. Now at the top right corner, you're gonna find the option of login. Click on it. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your US bank account. Firstly, go ahead and select your account type. Once it's selected, now provide the credentials of your US bank account. Type in the username, then type in the password. In the case you have any issues logging into your account, you can click on this option of Get Login Help and resolve your issue. Once you fill this, click on Login, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. Well, this way you can easily log into US bank account. In the case you haven't registered for your account yet, you can click on this option and go through the process. That's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.